The basic boat information category brings up a screen with 4 tabs: the Boat Description tab, the Configuration tab, a Registration, and an Insurance Information tab. The first tab, Boat Description, contains the basic boat information. The boat name is the only required field. Enter a boat name and save it. This activates all the other functions of the system. The remaining fields can be entered now or as the data becomes available. The fields consist of the builder or designer, construction material, the year the boat was built, the hull identification, and the general class of the boat. Notice that some of the fields have pull-down menus. These menus are meant as a guide. You can enter any data you wish in the field itself, and the system will ask you to save it as a new pull-down item. The Boat Comments field is a free-form field that you can enter any other relevant information about your boat. Also notice the hull ID is framed in a purple outline. This indicates that this field, if right-clicked, will bring up additional information about the contents of the field.